Mango, often referred to as the king of fruits, is not only delicious but also packed with a wealth of health benefits. One of the lesser-known benefits of this tropical fruit is its potential to aid in relieving constipation. But really, does mango help with constipation? Does mango help with constipation? Yes, mango helps with constipation. Mangoes are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. A single medium-sized mango contains approximately 3 grams of fiber, which is about 10% of the daily recommended intake. They are also high in water content, which aids in digestion and prevents constipation. The key to understanding how mangoes can help with constipation due to their high fiber content. Dietary fiber adds bulk to the stool, which can help it move more easily through the digestive tract. This can alleviate constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Moreover, mangoes contain a group of digestive enzymes known as amylases. These enzymes break down food into simpler forms, aiding in digestion. Studies supporting the claim. Several studies have suggested that mangoes can indeed help with constipation. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that individuals who ate mangoes every day had improved bowel movements compared to those who consumed an equivalent amount of fiber supplement. Another study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that mangoes improved overall gut health, including constipation symptoms, by altering the gut microbiota. Does mango juice help with constipation? Yes, mango juice helps with constipation. The juice retains some of the beneficial properties of the whole fruit, including its high water content and digestive enzymes, which can assist in promoting regular bowel movements. However, it's important to note that the fiber content, a crucial element in managing constipation, is significantly reduced when the fruit is juiced. While more research is needed to understand the impact of mangoes on constipation fully, the existing evidence is promising. Incorporating mangoes into your diet could potentially help with constipation, thanks to their high fiber content and digestive enzymes. However, it's important to remember that balance is key, and mangoes should be part of a varied and balanced diet.